I wrote out our wedding list, so this is the wedding list.
Okay, read it.
Okay. Wedding gown, 650,000. Jesus, what is it? Are you okay?
Sorry, wedding what?
Wedding gown, 650,000.
650.
All the way from Dubai. It is very hot.
Hey! Read.
Then my human hair, 250,000.
Human what?
Human hair, 250,000.
What is wrong with this hair?
This is not, how can I use this? This is not it now.
So with your hair, we'll sleep another hair, 250, and you have mind to wear 250 on your head. You will carry 250.
I don't understand. What do you mean by mine?
Only that day, 250,000 just for hair, sweet. This is the money.
Jesus.
Sweet, I told you before, we are civil servants now. Let us try to cut our coat, eh?
Sweet, we need to make a mark. See, this is our wedding day. People will hear of it.
Read.
Oh, grand wedding. So we're going to be chartering 3 buses. 1 bus for my old girls association, all the way from my secondary school. They are ready.
It's alright. The other bus is for
The
who?
other bus for my relatives in the village. It's not a small thing. They've been calling me.
The third bus is...
The 3rd bus for my colleagues. 3 buses. 150 times 3, that's 450,000. True.
Sweet, is it crusade we're organizing? Why are we going to be chartering bus? Can't they come on their own? Eh?
Why are you talking like
We
this?
charter bus, eh? When it's not Shiloh. Read.
Are you sweating?
No, I'm not sweating. It's just that this whole place is just hot. Eh?
Then bouquet, 80,000.
Book what?
Bouquet.
Which one is bouquet?
The one that you throw to all the single ladies.
Oh, that one you throw. Yes,
Yeah.
that one. How much?
80,000.
So sweet, we will carry 80,000 naira, to buy bouquet, flower. Then you carry it, you have mind, you throw it to your single ladies. Those ones we even have mind, they will catch it.
So why are you talking like that? They're natural flowers, from the best garden.
Read.
Our wedding ring, 250,000.
Wedding ring 250.
Pure
gold. Read.
Then my hand fan is 80,000.
So we will buy hand fan 80,000. But sweet, is there no AC in the house?
Sweet. But yeah, what's up, guy now? How far? When you go for wedding, don't you see? It's a normal thing for babes.
Sweet. I think this wedding store is like we are rushing it.
Rushing it?
I want us to hear God.
You not heard God? After going out with you for 5 years, a woman being in a relationship with you for 5 years, talk about hearing God. You have not heard God since. A month for our wedding, invitation cards are already out. They're talking about hearing God. Please don't provoke me. Don't provoke me.
Will I die?
Why did I die?
Will I die? What are you saying? Look at what you want me to use to marry you. Who are you? Who are you that I'll spend all the money to marry you? I will die because of you?
When you were proposing marrying again, you don't know what it takes. All men, they are the same.
I'm not married again.
You must marry.
I'm not married.
I said you must marry. What will I tell my friends?
I don't want to marry. I want to hear God.
You must marry. Don't talk about hearing God. You must marry.
I will hear God.
Hello friends, if you love our videos, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and visit our website www.thewheelers.com. The Wheelers, faith, fun, and facts.